When you go to replace your adhesives on a DOG-G8 bracket, you need to remove the bracket from the wall and slowly start to peel the adhesive off the back of the bracket by rolling it using your thumbs. Once the adhesive has been removed, you can roll it up into a ball and dispose of it. You then move on to the other plate and remove that adhesive as well. Once both adhesives have been removed, you can then slowly clean off any remaining adhesive on the back of the plate. If there's little spots of adhesive left over, this is not a problem. You're now ready to apply your new adhesive to the back of the bracket. These will come in strips, and all you have to do is just place them gently on the back of the bracket where the previous adhesives were, and then push it into place. You're now ready to remount your bracket with the new adhesives.